You can start a new job in the manufacturing module by clicking the New Job button from the Job Details window. You can then give the new job a job title. You'd want to choose a location ID for the job, where the job's going to be manufactured. And you could choose a customer ID if it's a custom job for a customer. And you can set the status, and you'd want to keep the status at new until you put the job into production. And then you would set the job status to in process. And then you'd also want to choose an inventory ID for the inventory item that's being manufactured. And we'll say this is a to manufacture 16-ounce boxes of oatmeal cereal. And you can enter a job note, and the job title you'd probably want to make similar to the inventory name to let you know quickly by looking at the job title which inventory item you're manufacturing. And then you could enter a start date for the job and a due date. These dates just give basic information about when the job should be started and when the due date to complete the job will be. The detailed scheduling for the job can be entered into the scheduling module based on sequences of work entered onto the work orders. And I should also mention it's a good idea to add to the job title the current date, because after you manufacture the same item many times, you'd want to have each job title unique in some way, and having a date is an easy identifier to keep the job titles unique and to know when that job was ran. And then after creating a new job, you'd want to click the Run Details tab, and you can enter a run quantity for the job, and we'll say this is for 1,200 boxes. And you would not want to create lots until the job is done, so we'll move on to the bombs and work orders detail view. When creating a new job, it automatically creates one bill of materials, and we'll navigate to that bill of materials by clicking the small square button next to the BOM ID. And with that bill of materials, it also creates one BOM item record, which is titled New ASSY, which is short for New Assembly. And then also it creates one starter work order. And inside that work order it creates one sequence of work where you'd enter multiple sequences of work that need to be done on this job.